Today, I'm going to try out a brand new coffee place. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Pandy out here. It is bright and early. In fact, I came to a new place called SCOOTER'S Coffee. They just opened by me. I've never heard about them before, and so I wanted to try them out. It's actually 5:58, so they're not actually open yet. Don't open till 6 a.m. So I thought I'd start my day with a little caffeine, because you have to keep the juices flowing. So I just ordered some coffee for me and my buddy. I'm going to grab him, and then we're going to start doing a little work. But I went ahead and placed the order in the app for a couple of large hot mocha that I think we just drive through and tell them that we're here. So let's get it done and try it out. So this is a brand new facility, and apparently they're all over the Midwest, although I've never seen them before. Since I placed my order in the app, it tells me that they will make it when I get there. So I just roll up to the order box and tell them that I ordered in the app and give him my name. And he says to pull on up to the drive-through pickup area. So I do. And actually, they start making it there. It would actually be nice maybe if it determined that you are close, kind of like the McDonald's app does, just to give them a heads up and maybe start making it a few minutes before you get there. Now, one of the things that I love here is that it is drive-through only. And so it's very quick to grab your coffee and hit the road again. All right, just got my coffee, and because I'm the only person here and still actually just parked in the drive-through lane, got to talk to the proprietor a little bit, hear about the trials and tribulations of building a facility here in the great state of Illinois. It's so business friendly, but they're finally opened now in June, when they were apparently supposed to open in February. But it's interesting. This is not what I expected from the cup. You know, everyone's trying to go all frou-frou and, you know, formal and chic, but look at how colorful the cup is. Got emojis there. There's actually an emoji on the building itself. And then on the top here, this is the XL. So no ventis here. It'd be a plenty venti or something like that. But, oh, that is piping hot. Oh, that's good. What I like about it is it's not as rich and decadent as a McDonald's mocha. It's just got like the flavor of it without losing that coffee taste. So that is really good. And I love the fact that it's hot because it's going to have to last me a while. So now off to pick up my buddy and do a little work. And when I say work, I mean like real work, outdoor work, busy, sweaty, muscly work. So that's it. If you want to pick up scooters, we're all around the Midwest. I'll put links to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.